Air travels through your nose and mouth, down the throat, and into your lungs. The narrowest part of the airway is at the junction where the soft palate, the tongue, and the back of the throat all compete for the same space. When you are awake, the muscles are tight, keeping the airway open. But when you sleep, these same muscles relax, causing the airway to narrow. As the air passes through the narrowed opening, the uvula and the surrounding tissues begin to vibrate, causing a condition known as snoring.
Hello, it's me.